imagine a world where everyone has an equal shot at success, regardless of ability. Let's shatter the glass ceiling and dismantle the red tape that's holding back talented individuals with disabilities from achieving their dreams. Just because you have a learning disability doesn't mean you're stupid, it's quite the opposite. It means you're smart, you just see things in a different way. Some of the greatest minds in history were differently abled, think Einstein, Hawking, and Temple Grandin. They didn't follow the traditional path to success, and neither should you. Einstein didn't even finish college, yet he revolutionized physics. Hawking was diagnosed with a debilitating disease, but that didn't stop him from becoming a renowned cosmologist. And let's be real, the labels we use to describe people with different minds and learning styles, disability, deficit, disorder, they're outdated and limiting. The truth is, people with different ways of learning are not broken, they're just brilliant in their own way. They see the world from a unique perspective, and that's something to be celebrated. So why can't we offer more options for those who learn differently? Why can't we create a world where everyone can thrive, regardless of their learning style? Let's celebrate neurodiversity and empower people with disabilities to become the innovators, leaders, and game changers of tomorrow. No more excuses, no more obstacles. Let's unite to create a future where everyone can reach their full potential, no matter what their path looks like.